Welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today we're going to figure out a practical math and science problem. Okay, so here's a science problem. I have a LED light. This is from the Christmas light. And I already put the resistor in there already. Okay, but let's say if you did not put a resistor in the LED light and you have a lithium rechargeable battery. This is a 250 milliamp hour 3.7 volt lithium battery. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, zoom that in. Let's see, I'll show you if we can zoom in here. Show you. Let's see. There we go. Okay, and I want to be able to connect my LED light, this LED light, to the lithium battery. The problem is this: you cannot connect it directly to the lithium battery. The reason is because there's too much current that's going through the lithium battery to the LED light. It'll burn it out very quickly. So you need to put a resistor, and you notice I did that already. I soldered it in. Okay, I soldered in the resistor into this, and so what you get is a very long-lasting battery, LED light, flashlight, running on rechargeable lithium battery. You can see there we go. So you connect them together and it's working pretty good. Okay, here's a problem, the math problem. Okay, so that's the science solution, is to put a resistor connected to the positive terminal of the lithium battery, and there's a resistor, and then you have LED light, and then you have the negative terminal. So you have a very efficient light source here. Okay, this is a rechargeable battery. It can be recharged hundreds of times. 250 milliamp with this LED light will last for at least 6 to 10 hours. Okay, and then you recharge it again. Right? So that's the practical science solution to LED light. Instead of using the AA battery, you can use a lithium rechargeable battery. You can get this from any rechargeable smart devices. Look inside. If it's broken, you might be able to salvage a battery, so a lithium battery. Okay. If not, you have to purchase it online. All right. So this is the Christmas LED light, the resistor. I think it's 150 ohms. This is the math problem, is to determine how much ohms are needed to run across this circuit. Okay, so we're going to do the math problem. I'm going to show you right now the math solution to this problem. Okay, so here's a formula that is required to determine the resistor to this circuit. Okay. We know the voltage is 3.7 volt because the lithium battery says so. Okay, so 3.7 volt. You look at your lithium battery and see what the voltage is. It's 3.7. The current on this LED light, you have to look on the internet. This is a white LED light. It's around, let's say, I don't know. I think if you look it up, I believe it's 25 milliamp current that's running across the LED white light. Okay. So that's what is running across. That's what you want. Between 20 to 40 milliamp hour. Okay, so this white LED light, allows a current that runs between 20 milliamp to 40 milliamp current going across without burning up very quickly. Okay, so for us to let it last for 10,000 hours, for example, you need this amount of current running through, and it's quite bright. Right, this is pretty good. So I say around 25 milliamp hours. So what we do is divide 25 milliamp hour current that run across the LED light into the voltage, which is this battery, lithium battery, which is capable of doing. And what you get, it's about, I think I used my calculator, it's about 150 ohms. Okay, or you can write it, the symbol for ohms is that, or you can write it this way, ohm. Either this, or you can write ohms. Okay, so 150 ohms. So what you have to do is, you have to go find a resistor that's 150 ohms. Now you can salvage the resistor around, broken electronics and see if you can find one, or you can go to an electronics store and purchase one. It's a few a few cent, maybe about 10 to 50 cents. I don't know, depending on that. If you can find it in your electronic parts, you can get for free, right? And the only thing is you need a voltmeter to test out how many ohms are in this resistor. So now I figured out it's 150. So here's a formula, right? So you could use that. Okay. So Ohm's law, where it's dependent on the voltage over current. So if you know the voltage, which is this battery here, that's going to go across the LED light, divided by the amount of current that's needed to drive through the LED light, which is around 25 milliamp hour. So the resistor that you need to solder in is 150 ohms. Pretty cool. So this would be your math and science application. So here the science is to build the lithium battery and LED light with a resistor. The math is actually to calculate how much resistor is needed. Okay, what I forgot to mention is that this white LED light requires a voltage of around 3.2 or 3 volt. Okay, you don't want to go greater than 5 volt. You'll definitely burn this LED light, even if it's low current, or it may not even work at all. Okay, so you have to check the internet for this white LED light, and it will say between 3 to 3.7, maybe even 4 volt will work. And then the current that's running across it is it's around 20 to 40 milliamp. That's required to get this thing working. Okay, you don't want too much because then you'll burn out this LED light too fast, because we want it to last for 10,000 hours. Alright, so with a 250 milliamp hour lithium rechargeable battery, it should be able to give you, according to calculation, between 6 to 10 hours of light, and then you recharge that another hundreds of times. Okay, the advantage of lithium battery, rechargeable lithium battery, is that you can, if you charge it optimally, it will last you for at least 300 to 500 hours. 300 to 500 charges. Sorry, that's how much that is. Okay, and then if you multiply that by, let's say, 6 hours, so that's over thousands of hours of light. It costs you less than a few bucks. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. EducateTube.com.